next box. We rolled the dice in the last break a little bit ago. All right, guys. Hockey memorabilia box break number 12. Thank you guys for getting in. I appreciate it. Pull these items. Look up the team owners at the end here. Hopefully get a hot box. That would be nice. Be panache. You know, if he's fast, if he mustache. Oh my gosh. I get hockey? Good luck, everybody. That is sick. That is sick. Bobby Hull for the Blackhawks. All bloodied up. Nice hit for Chicago. CHI, believe that. And this looks weird. I'm looking at this like, what is this? Must be a puck. Oh! Woo! Yeah, baby! Nothing else in it. That is sick! Alex Lafreniere. Sick, filthy, upper deck. Certified nastiness. There it is, baby. Laffy Taffy. That is going to the Arizona Coyotes. Just joking, just joking. Nice hit for the Rangers. New York Rangers with a filthy, laffy hit. I thought the Rangers were done by now. Yeah, I thought they were out of hits. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm getting confused again. What a hit. That is dirty, dude. Alexander Barkov, Beckett certified Adidas. Oh no, I'm sorry, that is a Reebok. Reebok jersey for Barkey for the Florida Panthers. This box sucked. A Lafreniere puck, a Barkov jersey, and a Bobby Hull photo. That's it. Woo! Filthy. With panache. Let's look up the owners. Yeah, Holly, it's just like all the teams. You buy a team, and then if you have Rangers, you get the Laffy puck. Then we open the box. Your team comes out, you get that. If your team doesn't get it, a hit, then obviously you don't get a hit, of course. All right, let's look this stuff up. I don't know. I'll check in a minute. See, Rangers. Custom. Rangers. Is that Gregor? Dude, it is Gregor. Wow. Gregor just got disqualified. Every night on the weekends, Holly. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, Holly. Every night, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Football and baseball and hockey. Memorabilia boxes. They're sick, Holly. Gregor with the Laffy Taffy. That's got to be some money, dude. That puck's got to be money. I'm sorry. That's money, dude. All right. Chicago. I thought Chicago's hits were all gone, too. I thought they didn't have any more. 12 going to Zack Attack. Bobby Hull. There you go, ZA. Florida Panthers. Yeah, Holly, it's awesome. Florida Panthers is... Florida Panthers is Hazy. Hazy with the Panthers. Nice hit, Hazy. With a mustache. Yeah, Tarzan.